service in Junction City, Oregon. We're going to do you a little video of TV lift today in a 2002 Magna. So let's get down there and get you all a video of this real quick. Alright, before we do the TV lift though, we've been requested to pull some Silverleaf out, get it mailed up to Albany, about 45 minutes away, and have some new software put on it so we can do the update to the new RVC network on the Silverleaf system, because this coach right here, which is getting new floors also, has a new transfer switch and a new inverter. So the whole system needs to be updated, and a new computer brains and so on and so forth put in there for the Silverleaf system. So let's pull this out of here real quick, then we'll show you that TV lift. All right, house panel out. Now let's do the dash panel. I know it's kind of dark in here, but let's do this. All right, I'm gonna call Silverleaf, get a RMA authorization number, and then get these over to the shipping department. So here we are. This is the coach with the TV lift. I'll leave you guys here and be back after I get this phone call done, and we'll show you this TV lift. Wonder what these are for. They're for when the screw's too long and it bottoms out in your box. They're common electrician thread. You actually thread this in here, screw it in until you want the length that you want, and then give her a good reef here, and then boom, look at that, it's tapped and ready and shorter. Neat tricks. All right, Andy. So now these screws are actually long enough to not bottom out on those crimps that are in the end of the box. This right here, the screw ends up bottoming out on those clamps in there. So you just cut those off with the dot. So as you can see, everyone, we're doing a televator. So I'm wiring the outlet here. I've got my hole cut in the end of it. The customer wanted a USB ports right here next to the passenger seat, which I totally understand. So we got that box here. That's gonna get fed through that hole, but there's the televator. So let me get these outlets installed. We'll kind of run over that TV lift, get this power turned back on. But hey everybody, I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks for enjoying the show here. Let's keep it rolling. All right, so I'll throw some footage in here without this TV cabinet on here. The TV lift, you guys have asked for it, so it's going to be the Nexus lift. It's a Nexus 21 model. As you can see, we've got the 43-inch TV on here with the 3.1 Samsung soundbar on there, and there it is. We're going to have an outlet here. We're going to have a keyboard that comes out here. I'll shoot a closer video with much more of this coach because it's got a pretty cool dinette table that actually goes down And now you can sleep on it, throw your cushions that haven't made it back from the upholster, and then lift that up. There's a little handle under here. You just flip over, and now it's locked down. So that's that part of it. We've got an HDMI cable that runs across the base here, up this pillar, and then comes into here. So that way in this location you can have your satellite receiver. He is elected not, but you can have your Blu-ray player there to play Blu-rays through there. And then of course it's a smart TV. It's hooked to the shop, so I've got my own channel playing there. These panels are removable. So there's going to be your outlet for two things, which are going to be the TV and your sound bar. And on the other end, you're going to have your outlet for your subwoofer and, excuse me, the TV lift. Now we've, as per request of the customer, we have the USB ports with the single outlet here. That'll be behind the passenger seat for the passenger use. We'll have that at the same location here, and then we'll have it at the base of the dinette also. So really cool deal here with the TV lift. Now, like I said, that's the Nexus 21 lift. You can go onto their web pages or so on and so forth to find out the prices. And then, like I said, this is the 43-inch TV. Now this will have a lid that actually pops up with it. And it'll actually have a hardwood surface that ends up being the top of this, and then coming down, it'll actually be the window box base clear over here. So all those window boxes will be back in here. These fabrics just got changed out in this coach. A couple videos in the past in the remodels or country coaches or tech video playlist of this flooring being done. All right. So I do want to go a little more depth on there. I've got the controller mounted to the wall here. This is where you set your limits for your raise and lower. As you see, I've got this bracket that I've created to space it off the wall because I've got to clear the window blind that's in the box, just like that. And then the cabinet shop has made the cabinet. All three of these panels do pop on and off at the south coast, so you can get in there to get access. So that's the TV lift installation. This coach, we've also done the blinds across the front. So we've got the cherry block out there, and then this block out here, and then this on the side. And then we've hooked up the blinds to the front here. So that's kind of what Brian's day has been so far. Probably shoot you another little video here of the closer of the last things that I'm into, but thanks for coming along for today's ride and this TV lift. So earlier, we went and got a Silverleaf module, and there was a tile job going on. Thankfully, we got out of there, but let's go take a look at this real quick. Keep going! Keep going! Slow and very painful. Thankfully, that's not my business. But hey, that's what's going on here right now. So you ask yourself, what is he doing in here? The TV lift I thought was done, the blinds. Well, so the hole for the speaker here would have landed in the blinds. So I've added in material there. I'm like, what am I gonna do? I got this cut vinyl. So we had this piece of cherry made. It's gonna go right here. And then the speaker will go up there. My phone's ringing. Somebody needs me. So we'll get back to this in a minute. Si, senor. Okay. I'll go rustle it up then. So that speaker's in now. As you can see, where that vinyl damage was is now gone. So this coach is all wrapped up for the day. Time to get these tools picked up, this mess picked up, and get out of here. And on to the next one. Another thing I'm doing today. Here we are, putting a coach in the bay that just got dropped off by my good friend Trevor Jones. Thank you for driving this coach up from Phoenix for me. And now we're gonna get the services and get this thing ready. Get it back to him sometime in June. Get all the work done on it between now and then, and they'll come pick it up and take it home. So here we are out back. Now that used to be Country Coach, building number 1. Since then, Winnebago owned it for a few years, and now it's been sold. So Winnebago is left. My understanding is they bought the other side of the street also, and Winnebago has 45 days to get rid of everything on the property. And it's kind of a sad time to think there'll never be any motorhomes made here again. But all right, let's get this coach pulled inside. I'm not gonna try to multitask that bad. All right, everybody. So the day is done on my labor behalf. I think it is time to shoot a video. So I think we're gonna shoot this Holiday Rambler Scepter 2007 with a 400 horse Cummins and less than 40,000 miles and $130,000 for it. Yeah, $129,000 for it. So that's the video I'm gonna shoot today. I'll get that out and produced here in the next day or so and let you guys all see that, but I think we're done. I'll come back, shoot that video, and then get out of here. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoy vlog day 1. Oh, Mayo still in there going out, that sucker. Working on getting another load ready for that trash. All right, everybody. Thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.